Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, thank you so much for clicking to this video. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always clicking on my video. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I came about this look. I'm now parting my hair into two sections till the middle part of my head. For this style, I used the Cantu coconut curling cream, Eco Styler gel, the Angel's Marley braid, a big black bun, the hairpins, and the small hair buns. I'm just laying my edges using the Eco Styler gel. Then added the Cantu cream towards the tips of my hair. Then did the same thing, applying Eco Styler gel and Cantu gel. You can use either that you have, not necessarily both of them. Then tie your hair using a black hairband. I used a black hairband since it's the same color as my hair, hence won't be so noticeable. Then tied my hair using a silk scarf as I was doing my makeup. My makeup is now done. I take the big bun and then cut it once. Then placed it at the back of my head, forming a U-like shape, and secured it using pins. The hair is parted in two sections, so I took them out and joined them. Make sure you arrange them in such a way that the lengths are almost the same. Took my black hairband and then wrapped it around the hair. Ensure that the hairband is at the middle of the hair. And then twisted it like that, then tied it on my natural hair. Then covered the bun using the hair. I previously had tied the ends of the Marley braids using a hairband, tucked the end inside the bun, and now securing it with pins. your best friend when it comes to this hairstyle. Ensure you have lots of them. Placed lots of them till I was contented with how stable the bun was. This is just a bridal accessory that I got. It comes with a hairpin, but I didn't use the pin. Instead, I placed black ribbons at both ends and then tied it. And there you go, that's the final look, easy and simple. You can try it out and let me know how it goes. And by the way, I'm dressed by Jack's Creation. You can go follow their Facebook and Instagram page to see my full attire. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment down below. Bye.